3 ways to fix a key fob for the following Odo Ford models: Focus, Fiesta, Galaxy, Fusion, Mondeo, Kuga and the Transit van. I'm not including changing the battery, as you have probably tried that one. The key fob may randomly lose its program link to the car. Turn the ignition 4 times on and off to position 2. Click the close button on the key fob. You should hear 2 sounds like this. Give the key fob another try opening and closing the car. It should work. If it doesn't, we need to open the key fob. Twist turn a flat-headed screwdriver or something similar in the side of the fob where there is an indentation. The 2 sides should separate. Unclip the 2 side clasps from the electronic fob and open it. The side with the circuit board has a protective cover held in place by 2 plastic rivet heads. The heads can be easily cut off using a sharp blade. The circuit board is now free. The 3 button switches are soldered in place on the ends to the circuit board. The solder joints may have cracked over time due to dry solder joints, causing a break in the connection. Reflow the joints using fresh solder and some flux. Reassemble the fob and test it. If it works, you'll need to hold down the circuit board plastic cover with some super glue at the rivet points. If it doesn't work, then the open button may have failed internally. You can swap the open door button switch with the boot release button switch to prove or disprove this theory. If the fob works after this, you could either make do without the boot release button and use the key when opening the boot. The other option would be to buy a new surface mounted button switch of the same size and solder it in place when it arrives. If none of these fixes worked, your next step would be to get a working used fob and reprogram the link to your car as shown in the first fix. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If the video was useful, please consider leaving a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.